Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I'm doing Love with Food Deluxe, which is about $20 a month, even though sometimes they charge me a little bit less than that. There is a cheaper box that I can get from them, but I got tired of only getting a few snacks, so now I get one where they give you duplicates and stuff. So here's opening the box. So let's see if I can do this right. I always do this before everything wants to fall out. Ooh, lots of goodies. So that is what it looks like if I'm holding it up high enough. Sorry. I don't want everything to fall out. And it comes with a card. Let's see. It says Love with Food by Snack Nation, which they joined with Better Every Day. Ready for your best year yet? The brightest moments of 2019 start with your smallest choices. Snack better, feel better, and be better every day. So I think this is something about free snacks. I didn't read that quick. Free snacks somehow on there. We're interested in what's in here. So this is Stretch Island's established in 1976 original fruit leather apple with, I think it says all natural flavors, but it's kind of hard to see. But there's that. And even though these are pure sugar to me, I do like them, so I will eat that. You can just stack some more of those. This is a cranberry health mix. I remember I got by Nature's Garden. I know I got something like this before that I still haven't eaten. It's like a trail mix, but I do want to eat it. It's just I never, for some reason, go to those as my first snacks. Oh gosh, I'm getting tired of these. This is RX bar, 12 grams of protein, 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates. No BS, peanut butter chocolate, but they taste like crap, in my opinion. No offense to this company, but I just do not like these. I mean,
I know what the sea salt chocolate one tastes like or whatever that we have, but I've never tried any their other ones. Yeah, that one I don't care for too much.
Yeah, that's the thing. That and I don't know if this is the other one. Some of the things I get are kind of I would rather not eat that. Beech nut, quinoa, Crispies vanilla. I don't know if it was this or not, but I think this is it makes me think of a baby when I hear beech nut. I think of babies. All my babies,
me too. All
my babies are grown, kind of. So, this is Osprey gluten-free, sweet and salty peanut. Vegan. Feels like a peanut bar, but I wouldn't mind eating that just because that sounds like peanuts, and peanuts are protein, and I love protein. Let's see the next little one. Balance, 15 grams of protein, 24 vitamins and minerals, caramel nut blast. And see, I like bars, but if they're not, I'm very, very, very picky when it comes to granola bars and things like that. I like the flaxseed honey one from what's the Canadian Kashi? Mm-hmm. I like those, like that one. I don't like just any particular one. Buffalo Blue Wings seasoned almonds.
That's right up my alley.
Yeah, if it's hot, which I think it would be, I'd probably give it to my sister or my nephew or somebody because I just don't eat a lot of spicy. I like spicy, don't get me wrong. I just don't eat a lot of it. Dolcetto, if I'm saying that right, Petite Lemon Wafer Bites. These look good. I think I got these before.
It's no high fructose corn syrup.
I think they're good. I don't really like candy that much unless it's a kind that I really, really want. Enlighten's roasted broad bean crisp sweet cinnamon, 100 calories. More protein, less fat. High in fiber, so that's good. So that'd be a good snack for me. I just have to remember to eat these. As I said, I don't always eat those first. This one looks good, but again, another granola bar. It's Bee Bar Brownie Bar, made with natural ingredients, only 150 servings calories. Sorry, probably per serving. That's what I meant. There's that. There's this big biscotti. I don't know how to say that. Chocolate. I don't know, something, but it's by, am I reading that? Nonnies? But there's that.
Do you get those very often? I don't recall.
I don't get biscotti. Yeah. And it's funny because I usually drink iced coffees, but if I have a hot coffee, maybe that I can see that working with it. Lemon snackaroon, grab and go. ... Coconut snacks for the whole family. So this will be to somebody who in my family likes coconut because I don't. My sister doesn't.
I've been trying to eat it lately just to get used to eating it, but the things I've tried it on, you really can't
if it's got coconut in it, if it's just coconut flavored, I would eat it. But if it's got that grass, type of shredded coconut, I wouldn't want it. 100 calorie pack of pretzel peat mini twist salted caramel. Ooh, yummy. I usually don't eat pretzels that much, but if they're salted caramel, maybe I will. So there is that. This sounds good, although it's probably spicy, so I'll have to see. But it's late July snacks, Classico tortilla chips, jalapeno lime, made with organic yellow corn. It does say I have to eat it by April this year. That's the best before date. And then there's some Benitos, Hawaii bean chips, nacho cheese. Beans are better, high fiber. That sounds good. It's nacho cheese, but they're, I'll try that. And then the last, I don't think there's another card after this, is ginger chews, with coffee. Bonbon au gingerbread. I don't know how to say that. Prince of Peace. Aw, that's cute. It makes me think of the holiday song. But, yeah, I would like this. I mean, I don't know. Never tried something like that, but I thought a lot of it's foreign writing. I thought I would try that. But yeah, that's everything. Yeah, hopefully. But that's everything I got for $20. So lots of good stuff I can try at least. Let us know what you think of this. And if we were quick enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. And we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.